Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. First of all, if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button and join the family. Join the Nisha gang. Honestly guys, I never know how to introduce these videos. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a look by my girl Natural Nisi. It's also a look that I see going around on Instagram and on YouTube. It is called the wet look on natural hair. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. I'm actually going to be trying it on my hair just to see see how it looks. I want to see how it looks because I think the look is just so cute. I'm actually getting ready to go out right now, so I thought why not just film this and see how it comes out. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. So jump right into this video, shall we? Okay, so my hair is already freshly washed. It is kind of dry right now. I even tried to leave it damp, but it is currently drying up, and it kind of no lie, it kind of already looks like I have the natural wet look, but we're gonna spice this up a little just to freshen up my curls and give it a more vibrant look. With this whole look, I saw people working in sections. With my hair, as you guys can see, it is already thin, especially at the top part. It's just more the ends where it's a little bit more poofy. So I'm just gonna redamp it with some water and apply the products to my hair. Now I saw people working in sections. I don't really think I need to really and truly work in sections. I'm gonna try this look without working in sections just to see if it's gonna come out the same way. Or maybe I'll try working in two sections. Okay, maybe I'll try working in two sections and see, and then at the end I can brush it into one. So let's see how this is gonna work. So I have my spray bottle. The whole point of this hairstyle is that you want it to be really flat as possible. So the ends of my hair is super dry. I'm not sure why. But I'm gonna kind of just drench my hair, and if I need to dry after, I'll just use a microfiber towel or something. So the two products I'm going to be using in my hair, I'm going to be starting off with the Main Choice Boosting Sherbet, and then I'm going to be going in with some Eco Styler gel. Now that I have this part all smoothed down, I'm just going to go in with some gel. Usually when I put gel in my hair, I try to go really light as possible. So I'm going to go in really, not too heavy, but kind of heavy. But I'm going to go in kind of heavy just because I really want my hair to be held down. So this is the fun part, I guess. I'm gonna have to continue and do a voiceover because Nyla was being a little unruly. So I just continued to apply the gel to my hair, just really smoothing out the top and also smoothing it on the ends of my hair just to help define my curls. And then I'm just gonna use a brush to help smooth on the top of my hair even more. So with this whole look, it's really up to you if you want to do a center part, a side part, or just no part at all. I just really want to do everything back, but I think the next time I do this style, I am going to try and do a center part. So this is how the hair looked after I smoothed it out. And then, you have to throw some baby hair in there just to spice up the look even more. I mean, this is optional, but I feel with the baby hair, it kind of just gives it that final touch, that final slay look. So this is how it looked after I applied all the product in my baby hair. It's still really wet, so I'm just gonna tie it down for, I don't even know how long, maybe like an hour or so I think I did it for. But even after that, my hair was still a little wet, but I just continued to let it air dry throughout the day, and I didn't even touch it, and ended up just drying and staying right in put. So this is how the hair was looking after about an hour. I even tried to use a blow dryer to kind of speed up the process, because like I said, I was going out and I had a yellow jacket on, and I was so scared that the wetness from my hair was going to ruin it, so I ended up switching to a jeans jacket. So guys, this was the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.